Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester and today I'm here to give you an update on Solana. We're going to be breaking Solana down from a technical analysis perspective, looking at across the board, looking at market conditions, looking at essentially some price predictions as well, because the price is behaving quite interesting. Okay, there's some interesting price action happening right now. So that's going to be the video. If you could drop a little like on the video, that would be amazing. It is completely free to do so. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto News. Now, Solana, okay, you can see it's fifth in the cryptocurrency race. It's fifth in the world right now, which is pretty impressive. And you can see it's currently got a market cap of around $66 billion. Okay, so it's not a small number. Okay, so it's a pretty established asset that we're talking about today. And you can see the volume is actually pretty much matching the rank, around 2.9 billion here for the day, and that is primarily caused by the meme coin madness that Solana hosts. Okay, now let's get into the chart here. Before we do that, I just want to talk to you guys about a project very quickly. It's a brand new crypto project that I've come across. It's called Meme Bet Casino. It's essentially a casino like stake.com, but for meme coins. So you can basically play poker, you can do roulette, blackjack, craps, all of the major casino games, but you can do it and bet with your meme coin assets. Okay, so Doge, Pepe, SHIB, you name it, it's got it all in there. Okay, so definitely some alpha in there, and they've just actually partnered up with the Argentinian football team, which is quite a big partnership to say the least. So this thing is going to absolutely explode when it launches. It is in a pre-sale phase right now. $357,000 raised so far. And you can see if you want to get involved, you can Ethereum, USDT, or even your card. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be it for meme bet. Let's jump over to Solana chart today and let's see what we are looking at. Let's get rid of some indicators so it's not completely ugly for you guys out there that are new to trading. So you can see here, just in general for a Solana update over the last sort of well, the last 3 days it has been pretty brutal in terms of price action. Okay, we did come up to this sort of pretty strong level of resistance at this top side here, and you can see from around that 161, around 162 area, we did actually see quite a lot of downside in previous price action. So it's pretty much quite natural for a pullback to be happening at this area. Okay, it's not something that is unpredictable, to say the least. Okay, one thing that I am looking at right now, it is going to be this lovely little trend line. Okay, we've got a lovely trend line coming up that actually does show quite a nice bit of momentum, guys. Okay, so momentum trading is super important in the crypto space. So you can see we've got 45% there. Usually it's around half the next move. So let's have a little look. It's 31% there for the first wave is 12%, and then the second wave after that retest is around 25%. Okay, so there is still momentum here. If anything, it is progressively getting stronger over the last 2 waves we've had to the upside, just referencing this support level. So what could we really be looking out for here? It's just going to be this lovely bounce point. Okay, this bounce point could be around $137.23, and probably, likely, if we're using other candles as a point of reference, guys, in terms of how often we range within these periods. Okay, as you can see here, talking about this period here. Let's turn this green so we can all see it. Lovely stuff. There we go. So you can see this green box here. That is going to be the range that we're talking about here, and how frequent that the price actually reacts inside of this range from a support and resistance standpoint. Okay, you can see really it is quite reactive. So pretty much all the time that we come down to this area, this level of support of 136, we usually will bounce up to 148. Okay, so you can see bang, bounce, clean. Here, not so much, but we did it in the end. So from a spot trading perspective, you're going to get there. Okay, and you can see here, testing that area, bang, bounce straight back up. Testing this area, didn't quite get there, but then eventually bounced straight back up. Again, same scenarios, bouncing straight back up throughout this this ranging period. Okay, so it basically gives us an inclination, a sign that there is going to be a nice little move here, and the move could be worth for us to profit roughly around an 8% move to the upside, depending on where this, that's 7% actually, depending on where this actually tests on the lower side. Okay, so definitely something to be looking out for there on Solana. Definitely not one to overlook. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this Solana update, and whether you're going to be getting involved with this trade, or what do you think is going to be happening on Solana here over on the macro, and just general predictions. Okay, now if we are looking at more of the macro side of things, the bigger breakouts, guys, let's talk about this big dog, the big puppy, the explosion measure move that we're looking out for here, guys. You can see it's roughly worth around 57%. This will bring Solana to highs of around 286, which is unbelievable. Near enough touching, well, it will be over all-time highs for Solana if we can get to that level. Okay, so definitely a point to be looking out for there when we see this breakout scenario happening here. Okay, but yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop a little like on the video if you haven't already and you found some value here. I really appreciate that. But again, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.